Come test drive the 2017 Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on the top. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.